In less than 2 minutes, this is going to be how to bypass your heater core on your 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It probably will work for a 99 to 04. Here are your heater lines. Going right back to the firewall. Right there, you'll see the two lines. Go down to your auto parts store, get a U-shaped 3/4 hose. You need 2 hose connectors with 3/4 on one end, 5/8 on the other end, and 4 C-clamps. Get an extra size long so you're not fighting with the little ones. And don't try to bend up a hose because it'll kink. You don't have very much room. Get the molded hose. It's like $8, guys. So anyway, you build your U first. Build the U, put the 3/4 in it, put the clamps on each side, and then take a razor with a handle on it. Have your wife, lover, brother, whoever, partner, hold this back. Take your hand, get it down in here. Saw the rubber lines where you can get them. Try to make them even. Once that's done, you're going to lose a little bit of liquid. You can put a pan underneath or don't, whatever. Depends on what you want to do with the environment. Once you got that free and clear, you just plug your U in, clamp it up, you're done. Take your cut line. There's my cut line right there. Take your cut line, put your air compressor on one end and blow all the liquid out of the heater core. Put the other line down and make it so you don't make a mess, and just blow the liquid. That way it's empty. Mine actually exploded in the cab. I mean, everywhere. This 409 carpet cleaner did the trick to get the antifreeze out of the floorboard. It's $2 at Albertsons. And then here's my hairdryer hookup, and it's just finishing up. You can see it's dry. The antifreeze is gone. So that was $25 versus $2,000 to have your heater core replaced. Not 2,000, 1,000, my bad. But I'd rather spend $20 than $1,000 and would not worry about heat. Bye.